Now, 50 Cent is an American rapper, actor, television producer, and businessman. First known Jay-Z's, we saw his meteoric rise to fame under Dr. Dre, dropping songs and hits like In the Club, Many Men, Get Rich or Die Trying, the album in 2003. Now, he expanded his participation in the entertainment industry with Get Rich or Die Trying, acting in it, and I think he produced it as well. And the film was a sort of biopic. And he has continued to do that through the years, becoming a successful black entrepreneur, something that black people don't get to see too often. Now, my man 50 Cent was at AfroNation Portugal 2023 Day Free, and he performed his catalog of hits back to back. You know, we felt that stuff. And then he also got to perform with Freedom, not thinking that maybe one Idris Abdulkarim was going to come, you know, scatter the plane and stuff. Jokes apart, it was an amazing performance. Check it out.
So I can land on that dick. You know, tricks dick. She don't fuck the trick. She can hit him alone. This is on some dick. Got that big Birkin bag worth 5 cents. You might be out your league. Can you buy that nigga? We're gonna have some fun out this motherfucker tonight. New York City. You are now rocking with 50 Cent. Yeah, I love it. Come on. I just wanna chill and twist it out. Just stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty up. Need to see you feeling next to me. I provide everything you need now. Let me smile, I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask you now. How cute the color? Come on, girl. Is it love? Say what? Would you love me if and what would you steal? Boy 50 Cent, we get ready to turn it up a notch. Now let's go. Where the ladies at? Where the ladies at? If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around me all the time. I'll be your best friend. You promise you'll be right. I promise you'll be right. He said he's just a friend. Now girl, let's stop pretending. Either he is or he ain't your man. He said he's just a friend. If I was your first we get to talking, then we get to touching, and we can pass the phone games, we won't be fucking. I just like the first to put my tongue in your head. Do it like the dogs do it, girl, and pull on your head. For me, a different scene, the bleachers plays a different position. In the trouble on the sink, I improvise, now listen. In the chopper on the jet, on the high club. I'm no fool, I know money brings power.
This is a big picture.
Yeah. I just come from the poorest part. Bright light, city life, I gotta make it. This is where it goes down. Yeah. I just happen to come up hard. You are a little bit. I never took a straight path nowhere. Life full of twists and turns, bumps and bruises. I live all up. I'm from a city full of yellow cats, skyscrapers. Hard to get a start in these parts without pain. Homie, I grew up in hell, a block away from heaven. Many men, wish death upon me. Lord, you're my dog and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas don't take my life away. All the nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Man, these pussy niggas putting money on me. Down, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt. It ain't been found. I'm the underground king. I ain't been crying. When I ride, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest. Something like Ali in his crowd. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble. Twin that ox when I rumble. So we ain't had nothing. Every day who I know the same. Trying to make a little change. Preacher man come around talking. I don't want to hear you keep walking. I'm gonna put the powder in the pipe. Whip it till I'm pulling off the lot. Imagine when I pull off the lot. Loose shit come without a top. Without a top. Mom, I ain't never gonna stop. Mom, I ain't never gonna stop.
Portugal, make some motherfucking noise in this motherfucker!
Hey.
Here we go, let's go!
Came in the game, get money.
Get money!
Flip chicks, whip it, get money.
Get money!
Niggas get this land motherfucking good part.
Oh!
The top is so much better than the bottom. So much better. Use a window shopper. Staring at me, I didn't know why. Niggas use a window shopper. In the jewelry store looking at shit you came out. Niggas use a window shopper. In the other ship, trying to get a test drive. Niggas use a window shopper. Mad as fuck when you see me. Summertime, white boys come back there silky. I'm on the grind like my paper stack like I'm filthy. Money high, niggas get the school face and acting. Yeah. Check here, we go. Coming up, I was confused. My mama kissing the girl. Confusion, the girls coming up in the cold. Daddy ain't around, probably out to me. My favorite rapper used to sing shit, check out my melody. I won't do this shit, I said I don't. 4-finger ring, one of them go. Nigga told me if I pass it, get the shit scared. I can move a few blacks, I get the head. Head out of me, lost and turned in my sleep. Woke up the next morning, niggas the show. Living that same shit and I ain't doing it. I run away from this bitch and never come back.